Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's cooking, if you are like me and you are tired of having stews with your rice every time, if you want something different, then this is the right sauce for you. This egg sauce is so delicious and it pairs with almost anything. To make this egg sauce, we are going to be combining some eggs with salt and cayenne pepper. I will now be mixing the eggs together because I like to see chunks of eggs in my egg sauce. So I am just going to set this aside until I am ready to use this in the recipe. Next, I will be blending together some bell peppers, some ginger, garlic, habanero, and some spring onions. I am going to set this aside. Now to cook the egg sauce, in a pan I will add some onions, some minced ginger and garlic. I'm gonna saute this for a few minutes, then I will add some tomato paste. Next, I will be adding the blended peppers and I will combine this together with the onions, the ginger and garlic. I will cook this for 10 minutes, and to know if your stew base is cooked, you are going to see the oil floating on top of the stew base. I seasoned with some paprika, bouillon, salt, allspice, and jollof rice seasoning. Guys, I like the taste that my jollof rice seasoning gives my stew sauces, so I try to use that in some of the stew sauce that I make. Next, I will be adding some carrots, some bell peppers, and some spring onions. At this point, I will add the eggs and leave this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I am not going to stir this because I want the eggs to kind of congeal, and I will stir this gently. I don't want to break the eggs. I want to see the chunks of eggs in my egg sauce, so I will stir it gently like I am folding it in. I want a little bit of crunchiness to my egg sauce, so I added some extra onions and spring onions. Plus, it helps with the color of this recipe. It helps to make it look more attractive to the eye because, you know, it is said that we eat with our eyes. I cannot even begin to tell you about the aroma of this egg sauce in my kitchen. It was so good and tasted so delicious. I paired this with some rice. You can pair this with yams, potatoes, or even some hot bread. So guys, if you are tired of your red stew and you are looking for something to substitute, then try this egg sauce and you won't regret it, I promise you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and follow me for more recipes.